Here's some Scandinavian Viking trivia. Subscribe. In which battle did Harold Hardrada fall? Is it A, Battle of Agincourt, B, Battle of Waterloo, C, Battle of Stamford Bridge, or D, Battle of Hastings? The correct answer is C, Battle of Stamford Bridge. Which term refers to Viking raids? Is it A, Viking Age, B, Norse conquest, C, Dark Ages, or D, Viking settlements? The correct answer is A, Viking Age. What was the common Viking beverage? Is it A, mead, B, whiskey, C, wine, or D, cider? The correct answer is A, mead. What was commonly used for Viking navigation? Is it A, water currents, B, sun compasses, C, magnetic rocks, or D, landmarks? The correct answer is B, sun compasses. What legal assembly governed Viking society? Is it A, tribunal, B, thing, C, council, or D, senate? The correct answer is B, thing. What was the primary source of sustenance? Is it A, gathering, B, agriculture, C, hunting, or D, fishing? The correct answer is B, agriculture. What type of craft did Vikings often build? Is it A, ream, B, skiff, junk, or D, nar? The correct answer is D, nar. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.